Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to create an account on Bigo. Now first of all you need to install that application on your mobile device. For that go to Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Bigo. Tap on search. You can see at the very top the application. You tap install. Once the application is fully installed, you tap open the app. Allow location. You can choose to allow the location while using your app, or you can just ignore it. Here, to sign up to the Bigo app, you can sign up by providing your phone number, or you can also link your account to the Facebook, Google, Twitter, and there are few more other options like VK, your Apple ID, and even Instagram. If you choose any of these options below, your account will be directly opened through this app as it will get linked with it and registered through there. But here we are going to create an account through providing a mobile number. So here you tap on the side and choose the country code of yours. Then type in the phone number. Once it's done, you tap on next. Tap on next. Now you will be receiving a verification code from Vivo. Once you receive that code, you copy that code over here and you can tap on next. Provide the password for your account. Then tap on sign up. Provide a username for your account. Tap your gender, choose the country you're from, and then provide the date of birth. I'm just gonna choose a random one for here. Tap on confirm, tap on next. So here, once you choose the gender, you cannot change the gender anymore. So choose wisely and tap on confirm. And just like that, you have logged into the and just like that, you have created your account on Bigo application. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can create an account on Bigo. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.